Hey guys, we are outside of Walmart and we're gonna head in to see if there's any more clearance left over from the holidays. Let's see if they dropped the price. Last time it was 50% off. Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is today. Come on, let's go. Hey guys, we're inside Walmart. Really appreciate you being here. We are all about helping you save money, make money. We talk about clearance items, selling online, as well as stocks and real estate. So here we are inside Walmart. You can see all the New Year's decorations, hats, all half off right now. I'm in just the regular clearance aisle, so it's only 50 cents. So some good things, nothing I'm interested in. I'm looking to flip items. We flip on eBay, Amazon, Poshmark, and Mercari. So some good things if you need for next year. You know you're going to need it next year. You might as well get it now. So you can see it's some good assortment of stuff, all half off. I'm assuming, as the Christmas stuff is now 75% off, I'm assuming this will switch to 75 in the next couple of days. So not bad deals right now, and it's already marked down. You can see it was regularly $2.94. It's just a box of crayons. So really appreciate if you can smack that like button, subscribe, consider subscribing. We are all about helping you save money and making money, and clicking that little bell icon as well. Here's some scissors, all marked down, half off right now, pencils, school supplies. So you know you're going to be needing this stuff too. So here I hit the Christmas section, 75% off, but I was like, whoa, when I hit the first aisle. Not much left there. In fact, there's nothing left. Bare shelves. But I thought it was all gone. I couldn't believe it. But as I turn around the corner, I find a little bit more, and this gets a lot better. I found something really well later in the video. Really good that I can flip online. I'm already starting to sell some of them. I just listed them yesterday. So here's some Christmas bags, all 75% off. So big discount. Nothing I want to have here because this is all stuff I'd have to save for 11 months or so if I was going to sell it. Not hard to ship. Pain to ship wrapping paper like that in tubes. Not worth it. We are opening a store soon, so you know I do consider it. But 75% off. It's just not worth the storage space which we're lacking right now. But you know, here's some tags, gift tags. I mean, pennies on the dollar right now, so it's really 25 cents on the dollar. Good time, and there's still, as we get into the next aisles here, and I even hit another store, some great things still left. So yeah, there's some cards and paper. You know, you're gonna need this stuff, so it's might as well if you just even if you grabbed a couple of packages of this, you know, it's a great time to really save money. You know, when you're saving money, you're making money. Here's some lights. There's only a 20 light set. I left those behind. Not interested in those. I found some better lights later, actually in a different store that we're going to head into next. And you can see that's it. I thought these were Christmas trees at first, but they're not. They're like starting to load the shelves for like the spring season here. And we're in Florida, so it's pretty much always spring. So here's another section of the store. Again, 75% off. So really good things, but nothing I see that interests me that I can actually turn around and flip for a profit. I mean, probably could, but again, I don't want to be sitting on this stuff for 10, 11 months before people start buying Christmas stuff. And there's some people that will buy this 12 months out of the year. I've sold Christmas lights. Actually, we do well on Mercari with Christmas lights for some reason. I got a whole bunch of them in back last summer, and people were buying them on Mercari like crazy. So we sold out of those way before Christmas. So not too bad. Here's some pine cones, great for crafters. Just a big old bag of them. Not my kind of thing, with some glitter on them. Guess you can make wreaths and table pieces with them. More wrapping paper. Tree-free paper. Wonder how they make that. Some poinsettia flowers. So a great deal on the tree stands. There's still a lot of them left. There's the more inexpensive plastic ones, and they'll wind up being $3.75. And then the other ones, the more sturdy ones, $6.25. Guys, you can't beat that. Those would be a great item to flip, especially those more advanced ones. In the box already, you could really put a shipping label on it. But again, you just don't have the space. But if you want to make some money flipping things, and you got the space and don't mind waiting a little bit for a return on your money, here's some great gift sets too. So only $5. Probably could flip those, but nothing I'm interested in yet until we get to the lights that I find in another store. Here's those 20-piece ones. So $1.88 regular price. So those are only 47 cents right now, but I find a much better deal in the different stores. Replacement lights, things like that would definitely sell. You can lot them together too, so it's not such a little sale. You know, come November, early December, Santa hats, and all this stuff I could have sold in our store that will be opening soon. There's some more hats that only regularly 98 cents or like cheapo ones. But again, the lack of space just is preventing that from making it worth our while. Some books. Still some good stuff here, guys. If you want to head down to your Walmart, so please put it in the comment below if your Walmart still has some Christmas stuff. Here we are, January, it's the 7th that I'm actually uploading this, but this was yesterday on the 6th, so still some good stuff, January 6th, so quite a few, over a week past Christmas, almost 2 weeks, I guess, past Christmas here. So some gift sets, nothing great like we found last week. I found some really good stuff, but that was only 50% off. Here's some cookie kits that you can decorate almost like a gingerbread house. Candy canes, hey, it's just peppermint candy at the end of the day. Here's a big old chocolate kiss, but it looks like somebody took a bite out of it there, so leave that behind. Here's some head massagers. They're regularly $1, so they're only 25 cents. That's something you probably could flip, not for much, but I bet you can sell those for $5, even though they're only $1 normal price. But not worth my time. But great if you had like a flea market or you sold locally, you can easily sell them for $1. Anything at a flea market sells for $1. We do sell at a flea market too, just don't have the room for that. That would be a somewhat a little bit slower mover, but some great bows as well. So some really good stuff still, guys. You know, so again, put in your comment below what you have at your Walmart. I'm really interested to see, and where you're located too, if you don't mind sharing what state, or you know, at least state if not city. So yeah, that's it for this store. So then I head into the food section. Now I see 50 cents a pound for turkey. I'm a huge fan of turkey, so you know, you can't beat 50 cents a pound. So I saw one solo one that was a butterball turkey. These are all Jenny O. Not sure if it was on sale, but the manager gave it to me because it was missing the tag. It was in there. I had to wait a little bit until they tagged it for me, but you know, 50 cents a pound for you know, a good sized turkey here. I mean, I just love turkey. It doesn't have to be Thanksgiving or Christmas for me, but it was $1.48 a pound, which is not too bad of a price in the first place. It's actually a really good price, $1.48, but 50 cents. And again, if I had this freezer space, if I had one of those big chest freezers, I would have put about 4 or 5 of those in my cart. You see, 50 cents a pound. So awesome deal for 50 cents. Can't beat that. So put it in the comments down below, and if you have turkey on sale, you know, don't discount the food section. We find a lot of clearance stuff. It's not stale. This is all fresh. It's frozen. You know, I wouldn't save it till next Christmas or Thanksgiving, but if you eat it soon or next little time, it'd be good. So here, back into the clearance section, some tools, nothing great, good enough for flipping, but good prices, not too bad, $12 for all those pliers, $17.50 for all those drill bits. So nothing super special, but not too bad. $4 for a little ratchet set. It's a good deal, and you probably could flip that.
So now this was $20. Now $113. 8-piece anglers combo. So there's actually two different things here. So this one has some knives, some pliers, fillet knives. That's quite nice. There's an assortment of different ones. Multi-tool. That's a headlight. Comes with the batteries, little case. This one has a hat, knife. Nice case too. $13. And there's a lot of them. So, not quite half off. So check this out. Normally $30. It's $15 now. And this is a 2-in-1 table tennis and shuffleboard. And there's a lot of them. $15. Great deal right now. Look how many there is.
So here I'm in a Christmas section in a local, a different Walmart, but real close. 75% off. Still a lot more stuff in this store, so I'm a little more excited, especially when I see these lights over here. These lights are, if you remember, the last store had 20 pieces. These lights, much better deal. You can see the comps, $59.95 sold, $6.95. These are 61 cents right now, so I grabbed them all. I wind up grabbing all of those. Real good deal, and some of these sold dates are actually after, right recently in January. Some hooks here, and this kind of stuff you can make money if you lot it together. But the lights are the best thing in the aisle for sure. I come back and I grab all those. So you don't know what that is. There's some more hats like the other store, Santa hats. Some snow, which the other store did not have any more left. They had some of this kind of stuff, those little decorations. Gift cards, tissue paper, gift boxes. I mean, gift boxes, they're just white ones. You can use those for birthday presents. Here's some tablecloths, all Christmas tablecloths. We sell a lot of tablecloths, but these are the cheapo ones. It says gift boxes, but they're tablecloths. Some more bows. So again, if you need this stuff for next year and if you celebrate the holidays, then you might as well. Candy, unfortunately, not 75% off. It's 50% off on all this candy. But we don't eat too much of that here. But, again, other than like some snowflakes on the bag, it's the same stuff, guys. Like, they'll have the same stuff for Valentine's Day. Actually, they have it out now. That's why they need to clear this stuff out. So, again, 50% off all candy and food items. There's even some cereal and stuff in here, some Elf cereal. That's 75% off all this clothes. There's some kids' clothes. So all that kind of stuff, 75 off. So real good deals on that. You can see it's normally $4.96. So good deal. More paper. More paper. I mean, if you had the room, you could sell this. I mean, you could. It's just be a logistics nightmare, like storing all that, because look at the space it takes. So I would stay away from that. Gift bags are a good thing though, and you could lot them together and put like 20 gift bags. Tissue paper. Oh no, those are tablecloths. Some garland, same kind of stuff in the other store. Pretty similar anyway. That's what's left.
Those are
$15. Some ugly sweatshirts, but ugly is somehow popular for Christmas time. So some good stuff. There's some pancake mix. I mean, guys, pancake mix. Christmas pancake mix. It tastes the same, I'm sure. But there's chocolate pancake mix too. Actually, it's pretty good. So here's some more of those pine cones. Again, this is a neighboring store. Trying not to get people on camera. Well, getting worried somebody's going to take my lights. Kit Kats. Again, if you like, you know, candy, 50% off on the candy. But all these gift bags, and some of them are a little bit generic. There's some big old, I used to like making these for my kids, Rice Krispie treats. So big sheet of them. So again, they taste the same whether they have Christmas on the paper or not. So great way to save money. Saving money is, you know, it takes a lot to make money. Here's some little mini trees too. $11 normal price. So that comes to $2.75. Those you probably could definitely flip. But I come back to the lights and I grab those. I think that was the best thing in this aisle in this Walmart. But go down to your store. Let us know what you got by you. Grab a Kit Kat.
I loaded up on those lights, 61 cents. You can't beat that. We took them all, except for a couple that were beat up. So not too bad. So we really loaded up on these lights, only 61 cents each. Pretty happy. And those Christmas lights will sell all through the year. People use them for weddings or parties or other celebrations, so not too worried about selling them pretty fast. 61 cents, can't beat it.